Hey everybody, welcome back to the At the Vice with Creek Chicken Outfitters. This is Andy coming to you tonight. We are going to tie a zebra midge of sorts on a size 16 hook with a 2.8 millimeter tungsten bead. And we're going to do it in red and gold wire. So just keep watching and I'll show you what I do here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start my thread up here right behind the bead. And, well, if I don't get it to pop off. But anyway, we'll wrap a couple times, secure it. And we're going to just wrap down the shank of the hook here. And right about there. We're going to wrap a couple more up to maybe there. And we're going to come in and we're going to clip off our tag end. All right, now we're going to come in immediately with our gold wire, and I'm going to tie it in pretty close up top the front. Get it tied in good. Right, and we're going to run it right along the shank of the hook. Right back to the end here. Alright, now we're going to wrap back up to the front. We're going to build up the body of this fly just a little bit toward the front. Go to the back of the bead, cover it well. And like I did before, going to make a bit of a thread ramp up behind the head. There we go. All right. Now, I'm going to come in with the whip finisher. Going to do a couple of wraps just to secure the thread, because we're going to spin it on the vise here, rotary vise. And if I haven't mentioned before, I use a peakrotaryvise. So, there we go. We've secured it. We're going to come in here. We're going to spin our vise and wrap our wire. And just like the other midges that I have done for you, we are going to try to increase a little bit our spacing as we go up. It's kind of like this. And we're going to get back up here behind the head or the bead of the fly. And we're going to secure it down with some thread wraps. So we move our bobbin cradle out of the way, tighten up our thread a bit here. Come in behind, I'm going to pinch it down. I'm going to hold my thread pretty tight here. Get a few good tight wraps there. And I'm going to come in and, like before, I'll spin off our wire. There it goes. Alright. I'll wrap a few more. Come in with our whip finishing tool again. 4, be good. Alright. In and clip that off nice and close, and voila, there we have a very quick zebra midge. Now, just like when I did the last one similar to this, I did the resin. So if you would like, you can go back with this and you can coat it with resin just like we did with the other one. This one is a little smaller. I think we did a 14 the last time. This is a 16. And we'll do a little bit of scale here. There's my thumbnail. And you can see just how small that is. That's a little bitty dude right there. But hopefully she'll catch some fish for us. And hope you enjoyed that little very quick tutorial on tying a little red zebra midge. Thank you for watching, guys. Tight lines. Go get them.